Yo, um welcome to my channel, guys. It's Fast and Effects. So today is on a Sunday, guys, and I'm going to do some market breakdown and some recap of the last week trades that I took. Okay, so first things first, I usually look at the daily charts and see where the price is currently. So I want to know where the highs and the lows are first. I mean the previous support and the previous resistance, or you can call it the demand and the supply zone. From then I look for the lower time frames and see where price is, or what price is currently doing. Okay, so this is that GJ that I'm looking at. This is how I took this trade. Okay, so price showed me there was a strong support zone over here. Okay, there was a strong support zone over here, guys. Okay, as you can see, price rejected this zone for quite some time. Okay, so this is what I was expecting, a bounce. Let me see. So if price came and bounced back without breaking this zone over here, I was expecting a push up to the previous resistance. Okay, all right, and then price broke that zone over here, guys. So when price broke this zone, I was waiting for a pullback and a rejection before going back to the previous support. So how did I take this trade? I went to the 15 minutes that I usually take my entry, guys. So here we go. So you can see price came, boom, broke the support, then went back. So what was I waiting for? I was just waiting for a confirmation. So there was this double top that was formed over here. Let me draw that. There was this double top over here, guys. Okay, there was that price form. I don't know, let me draw it this way. Boom, 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 boom. So that was just a sign of a sign to tell me that the price is about to reverse. But then there was this great candlestick over here. There was this great candlestick to show me that the bears are in control. Okay, that the bears are now taking their position. So that's when I took this sell entry. I think I was actually late then. My stop loss was the previous week over here, or the previous resistance over here. So that was around 25 pips stop loss. Then take profit was around 39.9 pips, and that was smashed, guys. All right, so price still continued going down, but I did not take this trade because usually I do wait for structures to be formed. I just don't enter into a trading house. So I needed the new lower lows to be formed, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, blah 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 blah, and just like that. Okay, so I did not see that clear trend over here. That's why I did not sell this one. But then price started consolidating in this zone, guys, until it broke this previous support over here. But still I did not take this trade because I did not see the structures being formed. Okay, then now price showed me another reversal over here, that now price wanted to go up. Okay, so as you can see, price came down over here, boom, now formed new lower high, but then broke, boom, gave me that reversed head and shoulders. So we have this resistance that I did draw, but then was waiting for a price to break it, boom, then come back and then show me an engulfing candlestick before taking my entry. So you can see there was this great candlestick, an engulfing candlestick over here that made me jump into these trades, and that was 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, as if you can call it. Risk 36 pips, and then went in for 57 pips. That was easy, guys. All right, let me check another pair. All right, so this is the euro card. So this is what I was looking at. We had this previous support over here, and then we had this we had this previous resistance and a previous support. Sorry guys about that. So price has been ranging quite for some time over these zones. Okay, so we had the demand and the supply zone. So how did I take this entry? Okay, so this is what I did. I just waited for price to touch this resistance zone, then show me that now it's time to go down. So now we just head over to the lower time frame as we look for just entries. All right, so usually I look for clean structures before taking in my entries, like I said before. So this is the hourly time frame. So but I like taking my entries on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so it was just a matter of being patient before going in and taking that trade, guys. All right, so price came and retested this previous resistance over here, and then now started going back. But then I did not take that entry first. I just needed a push or a pullback to form new lower. To form new lower highs before taking the entry. So I just needed that lower high to be formed and some rejections before taking my sell entry and taking my profit in the previous support. So price started forming new resistance zone over here, guys. So you can see that this zone that I drew over here. So that was the new support or resistance zone that was being formed. Okay, so how did I enter this market? So these rejections, you see, I can see that there were no, the buyers were not really getting in this market. As you can see, there was this exhausted candlestick. Okay, but then now when I saw this Marubuzu candlestick over here, boom, that's when I now said, okay, now it's time to take my entry, because price is trying to show me that now the sellers are now in control, are trying to get in the market. So when I took that trade, as you can see, this is what happened. There was some bit consolidation and then rejection, guys, before now price, boom, moving to my direction. Okay, so that was a great trade. That was a win, guys. Okay, so I did not take this trade once again as price tried to go back to the previous resistance, because I did not see the clear structure that I'm looking at. If it's an uptrend, I'm just looking for higher highs and higher low, or if it's a lower trend or a downtrend, I'm looking for a lower low and a lower high to be formed before taking my entry. Okay, so that's how I do approach markets, guys. I just don't enter a market anyhow. Okay, so currently this is what's happening. Okay, price is coming to retest this previous support over here, guys. So if it breaks the support, I'm anticipating that price will come and retest this previous zone over here. But then how will I enter this market? I'm just waiting for a break below this support, then a pullback to retest the support that will now have resistance. But then after some rejections and then seeing some structures being formed, that's when I'll take my sell and then take my profit to the previous low or the previous support. That's where around 136 pips, guys. Okay, that's so easy. It's all about being patient. Okay, so this is what I'll just go back to the lower time frame, the 15 minutes, guys. That's when I usually take my sniper entries. Okay, so let me just draw it more clean and show you what what I'll be waiting for, I'll be looking at. Okay, so I'll just need price to come down, boom, create me, let's just call this a break. I just want that price to break, but then when price will be coming back, okay, still I will not be selling or doing anything. Now when price is going back, that means price is on an uptrend, remember, guys. Okay, That's why I will not take entry. But then when I see price going down again, I will not take an entry again, because now maybe this is just a new higher low being formed. Okay, I don't know if you are getting me. Maybe the price is trying to go up, then form a new higher low before it going up, okay, or before continuing. So I will still not take this entry when I see this this happening. So what will I do? Okay, I'll just wait for another pullback now to show me that now price is forming a new lower high. Okay guys, now after seeing that, then I will now make, maybe price can show me a new resistance, guys. Then how will I take this trade? I will now wait for an engulfing candlestick over here to engulf the previous candlestick. Okay, but then after that is when I will take my sell entry over here, boom, and then target the previous support, boom, making my stop loss. I can make it previous resistance over here, or just to be on a safer side and allow the market to play out, I can now make it to the previous high over there. Okay, that will be more safe, guys. Okay, so euro card will be on my watch list this week, this coming week. Okay, so let's look for other pairs. That is euro card. Let me check the AUD card. Okay, right. So AUD card, there's something, there was a break below the previous support. Okay, and then now price is just on the previous, price is on a support right now. So I'm just anticipating that price will go up to retest the previous now resistance. That is price is going, let's just anticipate that price will try to come back to retest this previous resistance. So how will we take this trade, guys? Okay, just the same things. Let's just head over to 15-minute time frame. All right, so you can see actually the structures, I believe, are about to be formed. So this is how I'm going to take this trade. I just want a new higher high to be formed. Okay, but then we are not going to take this trade after seeing this push. Okay, because maybe price is trying to form a new lower high, okay, before going down or before continuing to the downtrend. So we will call this a new trend. Okay, so what will we be doing is just wait for a pullback. Okay, and then let's say price forms a new support over here. So great candlestick to engulf the other previous candlestick will be great. Okay, so that's how we will take this trade, boom, and then target the previous high, making our stop loss below this support, guys. That's the easiest way to take the trade. Okay, we just don't take trades anyhow. We be patient, guys. Patience is the key. So that's easy, guys. That's easy. So let me look at other pairs too. That's, I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm trying to teach you guys. This is just free. Okay, these are free. So this is gold. So we can say that gold broke the previous support over here. Okay, let's draw this. So gold broke this. All right, that was that. I think on a Friday there was news that came out. There was news release that came out. Okay, boom. So just how will we take this trade, guys? All right, so just go back to the lower time frame, 15. All right, we need new structures to be formed. Okay, like I said before, I just need a push to the upside, but then after that push I will need a pullback to give me the new higher low. Okay, but then I need that support to be formed and not broken, and some rejections too need to be formed. After that, I just need an engulfing candlestick to engulf this the candlestick that will be on the left, guys. It needs to be bullish a very strong bullish candlestick. We call it the Marubozu candlestick. From then we will take our buy position, then target the previous high or the previous resistance, okay, about 177 pips, but then our stop loss should be down the previous support, making it maybe a risk to reward ratio of 1:1 before, you know, then see the magic. Always just be patient and see what the price will be doing. Okay, we just don't take trades anyhow. We wait for price to show us the directions. Okay, we don't tell the price where to go. We just wait for price to show us direction, but then after that is when we take our trades, guys. It's quite simple as that. All right. We have the Aussie against the USD, guys. You can see that price broke the trend line. Okay, there was this trend line that price broke over here. Let me remove this. Okay, price broke that trend line, guys. So probably I'll be just waiting for a touchdown to this level before waiting to see what price wants to do. It's just a matter of time, guys, just being patient. Okay, so let me check at another pair. So I just currently have 1 2 3 4 5. So those are just 5 pairs that I'm going to watch this week. That will be on maybe on Monday will be 6th. Yeah, so this week I'll be watching or I'll be looking at those 5 pairs, because I can't see any structure or any clear trend on other pairs, guys. Can't see. All right, nothing clear. Nope, I just don't trade any trend. If it's consolidating or moving sideways, I don't trade. I just need clear trend, guys. Okay, just clear trends. I just need clear trends. If we are on uptrend, I will need a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher blah blah blah, just like that, and vice versa. If we are on a downtrend, I will need a higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and just like that, guys. Okay, and like I told you before, the easiest way to enter market is just to wait for it. Okay, wait for price to show you direction. Okay, we just don't enter any market. Okay, so let me just give you another example, guys. So let's say that's a resistance, and then this is a support. Okay, so when price is trending down, let's say price came here, boom, and broke this. Now it will be a support. If it breaks this support, boom. So how will we take? Because now we know that the price has broken the support, so we are only looking for sales. So how will we take our sell entry? Now we are on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's say we are on the 15 minutes. So what we will be doing is just wait for a push to retest the previous. Now it will be a resistance now to retest. But then when it does this, how will we enter the market on the 15? Okay, how will we do that? Now let's say now if the price push back, now maybe that's called now price is trying to form, maybe it's now in an uptrend, so we are now not in a downtrend, but now we are looking but remember, we are looking for sales. We are not going to enter the market until now price show us new lows are being formed. So what we'll be doing is wait for a pullback. Okay, boom. Okay, so when that happens, now let's say this is what happened. So what we'll be doing is now wait for a push once again. You see, now we'll be waiting for a new lower low to be formed. But then now after rejection, now we're waiting for that bearish Marubozu candlestick to give us a sign that now bears are in control. That's when we will be taking our sell entry. Boom, guys. Okay, then target the previous support. Okay, if if you guys see this clearly, okay, now this is going to show us that now there is a double top being formed, and when we see a double top, that means price is reversing, guys, and vice versa. That's what happens when there is when now price is at the support, guys. So let me just give you the last example when price at the support level. So before taking the buy entry, let's say that price is in this zone over here. Now price came down. Let's say price is here, okay. Remember, price is still on a downtrend, okay. So this is what we will be looking for. We just need new structures to be formed. We need new highs and new lows, okay, higher high and higher low. So this is what we'll be doing, guys. So I will just wait for now price to show me this a push on the upside, okay. After that, I will look for or I'll be waiting for a pullback to retest the previous support, okay. This is what I'll be looking at. Boom. From then, now price maybe is forming a new support, let's say there. Boom. Okay, so now after that, I'll just wait for a bullish candlestick, a marrow bulls. Remember, we're just waiting for an engulfing candlestick, guys. The candlestick must engulf, okay. If it does not engulf, I'm not taking that trade, even if the structures are formed, okay. So that's when I'll now take my buy entry. Boom. And then stop loss the previous support, then target the previous high or the previous resistance, okay. And if you can see clearly, this is called a double bottom, guys, you see. And if you could see this this was called a double top. Easy. All right, so I think that's the easiest way that I usually approach the market, guys. You see, nothing complicated, no indicators, no nothing. The only indicator that I use is my eyes, okay. So I believe, guys, I did simplify my trading strategy that I usually use to approach the market. So that's what I'm going to use, and that's what I've been using, guys, and that's what I'm going to use in the coming market and the coming years that I'll be in this market, guys. So I believe or I hope I bless somebody, guys, and if you feel that I did bless you, please also show your love and support by smashing that subscribe button, guys. I will highly appreciate, and give this video a thumbs up, guys, please. So until next time, adios amigos.